Hi guys, when shopping for a metal detector online, knowing where you'll be searching for treasure and what kind of treasure you hope to find is half the battle. Every detector will offer a unique set of features, search modes, and a different degree of user-friendliness. If you're a beginner, you probably don't want something designed and built for a seasoned metalhead. Start with something simpler. A good metal detector can be a serious investment. Tianquan, King Detector, and Spionway are trusted brands known for their long-standing quality, but you also want to find a detector that can distinguish between junk and something a little more valuable. After hours spent researching products and user reviews, we've put together a list of the 5 best metal detectors you can buy online. Happy hunting! So, let's get started. Number 10, Metal Detector Underground Depth 1.8 m. This metal detector is here with the 26% price off. Now you can get it at around $131. Smart Sensor. An underground metal detector is an electronic instrument which detects the presence of metal nearby. Underground metal detectors are useful for finding metal inclusions hidden within objects, or metal objects buried underground. They often consist of a sensor probe which can be swept over the ground. Usually, the device gives some indication of distance. The closer the metal is, the higher the readings go. The use of this detector can detect is not buried deep mineral deposits, including native gold, and other various rich sedimentary sand. Detection of natural gold nuggets. Want to look for the metal coins, with balance, most gold under a higher degree of mineralization in the rocks, so it must be carefully adjusted to balance. In the ore, gold with extremely broken forms and blends in with the sands, sediment. The next is Number 9, Olsen TS180 Professional Underground Metal Detector. This metal detector is here with the 47% price off. Now you can get it at around $76. The Olsen TS180 is a professional-grade underground metal detector designed for detecting gold and other treasures. With its waterproof capabilities and length-adjustable feature, this metal detector is ideal for treasure hunters and searchers who require a durable and versatile tool. The TS180 is engineered to provide reliable and accurate detection in all types of soil conditions, including wet and mineralized ground. Its waterproof design makes it suitable for use in shallow water, allowing you to search for treasure in streams, rivers, and other bodies of water. The metal detector is length adjustable, allowing you to customize its length to suit your needs. This feature makes it comfortable to use for extended periods of time, as you can adjust it to fit your height and arm length. The next is Number 8, MT705GH20 Underground Metal Detector. This metal detector is here with the 53% price off. Now you can get it at around $165. The MT705GH20 is an underground metal detector designed for high-sensitivity detection of gold and other treasures. Equipped with a powerful 18 kHz frequency, this scanner is ideal for treasure hunters and searchers who require precise detection capabilities. The MT705GH20 is engineered to deliver accurate and reliable results in all types of soil conditions, including mineralized ground and highly mineralized soil. This metal detector is capable of detecting targets at depths of up to 3 meters. The detector features a lightweight and ergonomic design that makes it easy to use for extended periods of time. The device is equipped with an LCD display that provides real-time information on the target's depth. The next is Number 7, Underground Gold Metal Detector Long Range. This metal detector is here with the 4% price off. Now you can get it at around $596. The new ground-balanced benchmark detection technology of GFX 7000 Gold Detector. It has exclusive technology, multi-phase remote sensing, dual voltage technology and intelligent electronic meter, high-performance GFX 7000 Gold Detector. From deep natural sand gold and gold that you could not find before, now you can find it. Adopting international advanced technology, make GFX 7000 can find more gold than any other metal detectors. Improved new electronics make machine have stronger penetration in depth advantage LCD display for metal type message under discrimination mode. Apart from the LCD screen panel, it can be recognized the metal type through the tune. The next is Number 6, TX630 Foldable Metal Detector Professional Waterproof. This metal detector is here with the 60% price off. Now you can get it at around $160. The Tianchuan metal detector for adults has a collapsible design and is lightweight. It can be unfolded by pressing the lock button without assemble. Fold down small to fit into the included storage bag, which is more convenient to carry and suitable for travel. 34.6-inch to 42.5 adjustable stem is suitable for adults or kids of different heights. The line is hidden inside the adjustable rod, which is not easy to damage and is more beautiful. The waterproof metal detector allows you to use underwater detection, which is suitable for you and your kids to go outdoor treasure hunting, such as beaches, streams, and yards. The next is Number 5, Professional Underground Metal Detector FS2. This metal detector is here with the 26% price off. Now you can get it at around $145. Widely used, perfect for finding metal objects and anywhere that hidden metal needs to be detected. Designed to search gold and silver jewelry, coins and other metal in the ground. Detection coil, standard with an 11-inch DD elliptical waterproof search coil which would cover more extensive range and it can detect deeper underground. We offer an optional type that includes an extra 5-inch search coil for detecting smaller gold, multi-purpose machine detector with excellent gold prospecting capabilities that enable to find the smallest gold nuggets in highly mineralized soils. Special function, with pinpoint button for accurate detecting and 3 tones for 3 different metal categories. LCD analog display and audio and indicate the probable type of metal being. The next is Number 4, High Sensitivity Professional Underground Metal. This metal detector is here with the 57% price off. Now you can get it at around $236. The T2 metal detector is a professional and highly sensitive underground treasure hunting tool that is equipped with advanced features to help you locate gold and other valuable metal objects. With its LCD display, the T2 allows you to easily read and interpret the signals it receives, making it an indispensable tool for serious treasure hunters and gold seekers. Designed with sensitivity in mind, the T2 is able to detect even the smallest metal objects, allowing you to uncover hidden treasures with ease. Its advanced capabilities make it a popular choice among professional metal detector enthusiasts and treasure hunters who demand the highest level of performance from their equipment. Featuring a durable and rugged construction, the T2 is built to withstand even the most challenging conditions. The next is Number 3, Professional TX630 Foldable Metal Detector. This metal detector is here with the 52% price off. Now you can get it at around $125. Foldable design without assemble, the Tianchuan metal detector for adults has a collapsible design and is lightweight. It can be unfolded by pressing the lock button without assemble. Fold down small to fit into the included storage bag, which is more convenient to carry and suitable for travel. 34.6-inch to 42.5 adjustable stem is suitable for adults or kids of different heights. The line is hidden inside the adjustable rod, which is not easy to damage and is more beautiful. The waterproof metal detector allows you to use underwater detection, which is suitable for you and your kids to go outdoor treasure hunting, such as beaches, streams, and yards. The next is Number 2, Gold Metal Detector Metal Detection TX850. This metal detector is here with the 55% price off. Now you can get it at around $115. The TX850 is a powerful underground gold metal detector capable of detecting both ferrous and non-ferrous materials. This advanced detector is a must-have for any serious treasure hunter or metal detecting enthusiast. Equipped with state-of-the-art technology, the TX850 is able to locate gold, silver, copper, and other precious metals with ease. It is also able to detect non-ferrous materials such as aluminum, lead, and zinc. The TX850 is built to withstand even the toughest of conditions. Its durable and rugged construction makes it ideal for use in the field, whether you're searching for buried treasure or trying to locate valuable metal objects. The next is Number 1, High Sensitivity Metal Detector MD3028 Metal. This metal detector is here with the 27% price off. Now you can get it at around $56 fully automatic and all metal detectors. The detector detects all kinds of metal objects. unless you have set for some objects that you don't want to detect. 2. LCD. The LCD, it improved to identify the metal in night or collisionous outside. Use a new display mode with patented technology. Additional automatic BG color adjusting system to further ensure the LED works better in function of resolution ratio during day and night. More importantly, save power. For panel surface abrasion resistance, the panel is made of a material with surface abrasion resistance that ensures the LED well works. This MD3028 LCD underground metal detector owns a patented LCD display technology. It can do accurate target, item pinpointing and adjust detecting mode. It is perfect and necessary equipment for people has upgraded hobby in treasure hunting. This metal detector can be applied to do outdoor adventure, relic detection, etc. So this is the best option for you to buy.